My lead gen secret. Does it really give you 100 leads per day? Is it worth your time and money? Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Rob Four, a self-made home business millionaire. Literally went from homeless to home business millionaire. And since 1996, we have been teaching people how to guarantee success when failure is not an option. And we do that by bringing you insider reviews of different programs we find online. Now, today we're going to talk about My Lead Gen Secret, which is a new program that recently launched just 2 or 3 months ago, and give it a due diligence review. Let's get started. So what is My Lead Gen Secret? Well, here's the overview. MyLeadGenSecret.com offers 3,000 fresh business opportunity seeker leads and a browser-based platform to email those leads for only $30 a month. Now, you get 100 email leads per day. The leads are generated by 10 different advertising partners, and then they're distributed to active members at the rate of 100 leads per day. These permission-based email co-registration leads are also available for you to download and reuse, upload into your autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, however you want. You get 3,000 co-registration leads per month. The contact records include the first name, last name, email, IP, city, state, zip code, country, and advertising partner. Plus, My Lead Gen Secret offers an attractive affiliate program that pays up to 83% in affiliate commissions and sign-up bonuses. Active members who refer at least one new subscriber now get double leads. Instead of 100 leads per day, if you sign up as an affiliate and get one new subscriber, you get 200 leads per day. That's 6,000 leads per month for only $30. So at first glance, My Lead Gen System's offer seems to be absolutely incredible. In fact, a complete no-brainer. I mean, 3,000 to 6,000 fresh business opportunity seeker leads for only $30 is absolutely unheard of in this industry. In fact, if that's true, then these leads are perhaps the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. But, and that's a big, big but, wait. Hold your horses before you run out and join My Lead Gen Secret right now. Before you do that, the unfortunate reality is if the leads don't convert, or if their system is not easy to use, you might as well flush your hard-earned money down the drain. I mean, seriously. Even though 6,000 leads per month sounds like for only $30, sounds like a fantastic, out-of-this-world deal, if they don't convert, or if the system is too hard to use and you never use it, you might as well flush your money down the toilet. That's the unfortunate reality. So what we're going to do here is take you through the system and answer 3 very profound yet important questions. Is My Lead Gen Secrets easy to use? Is the platform easy to use? Do the leads actually convert? Can you actually make money promoting whatever it is you promote? And then can you make money promoting My Lead Gen Secrets itself? We're going to answer all 3 of those questions right here, right now. So is the system easy to use? Well, you simply log in. When you log in, you're going to be presented with your home page, and the first thing you do is click the quick start video. It's about 5 minutes long, and it will show you exactly what to do and how to do it. Your first 100 leads will already be waiting for you waiting for you to send a message and start promoting whatever it is you want to promote. The second step is to go review the affiliate program. And you'll see right there in the middle of the page, you have your affiliate link in case you want to start promoting the program. Now with My Lead Gen Secret, in their affiliate program, they have a special offer where if you sign up just one new member, they double your leads. So instead of getting 100 leads a day or 3,000 leads a month, you refer one new person, one paying member, and you get 200 leads per day or 6,000 leads per month. So that's it. Then number 3, run right over there, create your first message, press send, and it's going to go out to 100 fresh leads. 24 hours later, because you can send an email once a day, tomorrow you'll have another 100 leads. Now you can email those same 100 that new set of 100 leads, or you could send an email to the 200 leads that have now accumulated. Well, here's what has happened with me. I actually joined to test the system a little less than a week ago, towards the end of March 2019. Now, I joined and then I kind of spaced it, forgot all about it. And when I actually went to log in again, 4 days had passed. And so we had accumulated 400 leads, 100 leads per day. And I sent out the first email on March 30. The next day, to promote a program that is actually free to sign up, free to join to become a lead for that program. And then we were promoting an affiliate offer that actually started on April 1st. So we promoted that same offer 3 days in a row. Now, we had actually referred one person. So by the 5th day, instead of getting 100 leads, we are now getting 200 leads per day. So on day number 2, I sent an email to those new 200 leads and a second email to the first 400 leads. So away we go. The 3rd day, we made the same offer to the next set of leads. Now let me show you what happened there. Here's a copy of the email, and you'll see that between those 3 emails, it ranged between a 38% click-through rate, 32%, and then 12% as we emailed them numerous times. So 3 emails sent, we had a total of 133 clicks to our affiliate link, and we had 1 free sign-up. Now, I know my numbers on this particular program that we were promoting, and a lead, actually, it takes about 7 leads to get 1 sale, and 1 sale is worth just shy of $100. So in a very real sense, this 1 free sign up, even though we didn't get any money in hand, was actually worth about $12 to us. So I was pretty excited and quickly realized if I got 3 leads the whole month, we more than paid for the service itself. Okay, the next set of emails after that offer, we actually started on April 1st. So on April 2nd, that offer didn't make any sense anymore. So the next 2 emails, what I decided to do, and this was kind of a little bit brain dead stupid on me, is I decided to promote leads. And I actually put in 2 different offers, 2 different links. One was to D7 Lead Finder, which gives you the local names and addresses of local businesses. This was absolutely the wrong offer to the wrong list, because remember, my lead gen system, their leads are comprised of business opportunity seekers, people who are interested in learning how to make money on the internet or make money from a home-based business. They don't need leads. It's the wrong offer to the wrong people. I also offered My Lead Gen Secret itself, because which again is a lead program. Now, if you position My Lead Gen Secret as a money-making program, then it would probably sell very, very well. So we got a 11% and a 9% click-through rate. our response for the local lead offers to D7 Lead Finder, we got 24 clicks, absolutely no conversions, so we made no money there. But to the My Lead Gen secret offer, the orders started coming in like crazy. We got 2 or 3 orders, actually personally signed up or referred 5 people within a week. And when you do that, My Lead Gen Secret pays you a $100 sign-up bonus. So it was pretty amazing to see that happen. And to be honest with you, when I first saw that, it's like, oh my gosh, did we just find a perpetual money machine? Literally, we just mail out the leads, the My Lead Gen system offer, and we make money hand over fist. Did we find the Holy Grail? Well, but I have to be honest with you here. It looks like that, but when I really took a serious look at it, I couldn't attribute all of those sales and signups to the email we sent through My Lead Gen system, because I was also sharing this on Facebook. So I can't honestly say if all or any of those sales came directly from sending the leads back into My Lead Gen system. Couldn't really say. I mean, that's the honest reality. But what I can say is we did track back 1 new sign up. So we actually tracked back 1 upgraded member back into the leads, found them in the leads, and they had to come from that My Lead Gen system email. So we did track back at least 1 sale. We don't know where the other sales necessarily came from. On the 3rd mailing, the final 2 mailings that I've done, I've only sent out 3 different offers. What I did is I randomly picked a best-selling make money ClickBank offer. And the reason I did that was twofold. One, I wanted to test the leads to just a random make money offer. And I know I haven't promoted anything on ClickBank in a very long time. So anything that went through that system would have to come through emailing their leads. So in the first email, I actually gave a direct link to my HopLink, my ClickBank HopLink account with a tracking ID of MLG for My Lead Gen system. So that's the first email we sent out. The next email we sent out the very next day, same headline, which was a very low producer, so oops again on my behalf. But what I did this time is I actually took that same ClickBank affiliate link and I embedded it on one of my blogs. So now we sent them, instead of sending people directly into ClickBank, we're now sending them to a page on my blog so we could more accurately track if we were getting traffic from sending the leads through My Lead Gen system. Let me show you the results. I think this might just blow your mind. So here we are. We started mailing the ClickBank offers on April 4th. Today is April 9th. You'll see down below that we've had 7 sales total, all from these My Lead Gen secret leads. 5 of them have been tracked back to the MLG ID, which means they came from a mailing to 600 of their leads. 600. The 90-day success was I actually downloaded their leads, 1,600 of the leads, uploaded them into a different emailing system. In my case, it was ReachMail. And then I sent the same offer through that system directly to my site. And you can see there that we picked up 2 sales there. So these leads, or how well these leads convert to at least this particular ClickBank offer, we proved 2 different ways. Once by letting them email the leads, and once when I personally emailed the leads through a different email system. When I did that, I also cleaned the email list. I took that 1,600 emails, cleaned it. It only came up with 150 soft bounces, which is really, really good. So in a very real sense, these have been double verified in my mind as very, very highly responsive, highly engaged business opportunity seeker leads, at least to this ClickBank offer. So the third and final question, can you make money promoting my Lead Gen Secrets affiliate program? Can you make money doing that? Well, I've been sharing for the last 5 or 6 days my results with this system on Facebook. Now, I don't have a great big following. We've had probably 12 or 13 people total like the post along the way, and we have promoted it a couple times through to the MLMG leads themselves. Well, so far, and we've only been involved for about a week now, we've had 13 upgraded members because if you bring in 5 within a week's period, you get a $100 bonus. So far, we've had 2 of those $100 bonuses. And so we've made $310 so far, actually got $150 of it, or $160 paid into my PayPal account, actually got the money in hand. So they do pay. With 13 active members, based on their compensation plan, that would be $5 a month. So I don't even know what that is. 13 times 5. It's $65 a month. So we're paying $30 a month. So we've already doubled our money just in the monthly residuals, plus got a couple $100 sign-up bonuses along the way. So there you go. There's my Lead Gen Secret due diligence review. I basically shared with you everything I know. I've only been involved about a week. It seems pretty impressive to me. So what's the verdict? Is it a go or no go? Thumbs up or a thumbs down? Well, I'm going to leave that entirely up to you. Is this program perhaps the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind? Or perhaps not. Again, we're going to leave that up to you. Do subscribe to my channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, share your thoughts about this program. Be blessed. I hope to see you on the inside.